Good evening everyone. This is the video lecture to see the topic JavaScript Document Object Model. This topic is from the second unit of Web Technologies. Document Object Model. JavaScript can access and change all the elements of the HTML document. The Document Object Model or DOM is a specification that determines a mapping between programming language objects and the elements of the HTML document. When a web page is loaded, the web browser creates a document object model of the page. The HTML DOM having the following tree of objects. So the first object is document. Under that, we will have the root element, that is our tag, HTML tag is considered as the root element, under which there are two elements, head and body. Under head, we will have the title element. So for title, we can have the text like my title. Under the body tag, we can have many tags. Many elements are available inside the body element. For example, A, header element like H1. A means A is actually to to provide the link. So the attribute of A is H reference. Under the various tags, we can have the text. This is the tree, document object model, document tree. With the object model, the JavaScript gets all the power it needs to create the dynamic HTML. It can change all the HTML elements in a page. It can change all the HTML attributes in a page. It can change all the CSS styles in the page. It can remove the existing HTML elements and attributes. It can add new HTML elements and attributes. It can react to all the existing HTML events in the page, and it can create new HTML events in the page. The document object represents the whole HTML document. Properties of document object. Let's see the properties of document object that can be accessed and modified by the document object. Document object consists of three classifications of object like anchor, form and link. Let us see the further classifications of form. Form consists of the following elements like text, text area, checkbox, radio button, select, reset button, and select option having the further classification option. Methods of document object. We can access and change the contents of the document by its method. The important methods of the document object is write. Write is used to write the given string on the document. Then write ln. It is used to write the given string on the document with the new line character. Then get element by id, that is to return the particular element having the particular id value. Then return get element by name. It returns all the elements having the given name value. Get elements by tag name. Returns all the elements having the given tag name. Get elements by class name. It returns all the elements having the given class name. Accessing field value by document object. We are going to get the value of input text given by the user. Here we are going to use the format document.form1.name.value to get the value of the text field. A document is the root element that represents the HTML document. Form1 is the name of the form we are creating. Name is the attribute name of the input text field. Then value is the property that returns the value of the input text. Here we are seeing the programming. Inside the script we have defined one function known as print value. Inside the print value function, we are taking the text value that we will give in the form. We will type in the text field of the form. That value will be extracted, and that value in our form we are going to give some name in the text field. That name will be retrieved from the form, and that name will be stored in the variable name under the function print value. Then with the help of the alert message, we are printing the name, and we can see the form. We have created the form with the name form1. Then we are going to have one input field like with the label enter name, and we are going to have the button. We are giving the name to the button print name, and we are going to trigger the event, that is when we click the button print name. Actually, first of all, we will type on name in the text field, then we click the button print name. At the same time, the function will be called, and the function operation, whatever the operation defined in the function, will be executed. I already told the operation of the function, that is the function will retrieve the value we type, text value we typed in the text field, input text field, and that name will be printed inside the function, isn't it? Then inside the form we have given the event handling, like on click equal to print value, value equal to print name, that is on click equal to print value, that is when we click the button print name, the function, what is the name of the function? Print value. The print value will be called. That's all. When we click the, first of all we will fill the text field by giving some name in the input field, then we will click the button with the name of the button is print name. Once the button is clicked, the particular function will be called. So that we have written as the coding on click equal to print value, value equal to print name. Print name is the name of the button. So form elements, one of the most common uses of JavaScript is form validation. As like the previous example we have seen, for the form validation, several HTML DOM classes encapsulate form elements like form, button, checkbox, hidden, password, text, radio, reset, submit, and text area. Text. A text entry field is encapsulated by the text object, and we can have the variables with the following attributes like value, maximum length, ID, size, name, tab, index, read only, etc. So that's all about the topic document object model of JavaScript. Thank you.